Well, I want to say hello, and my name is Troy Davis, and we're reaching out to all you folks that are looking at Golpa and the site and watching the videos and doing your research, because I did the same thing. I've researched for over 4 years and I found these guys. I don't know how it took me so long, but I did. And I'm so glad I did, and I'm glad I was a candidate. I had dental trouble all my life, broken teeth, rotten teeth, old dental failures. And I reached out to Golpa, and they looked at some x-rays that I had, and they said, yeah, you'll be a good candidate. And I came in, and these folks are phenomenal. It's unbelievable how professional they are and how ahead of the curve they are with anything of this sort. They say that my speech is good, but it feels different. But I tell you what, my face feels good. I'm a little sore. I just got the surgery done yesterday, and that's it. Take some ibuprofen, boom, we're in. I mean, I deal with the public, so a good smile is key. This is going to help me a lot. I got a marketing company and things like that for hunting and fishing, and just try to stay happy and smiley in a good life. So, and this is going to make a huge difference in my life. Yeah, now I'm about to cry. No, it's a great outfit, and if you think you need it or looking into something like this, you need to really reach out to them, and they're great people. They're perfectly honest with you. They tell you everything. They'll even save your old teeth for you if you want them. But I hope you all are successful and are candidates that are looking for something like this, because it'll change your life. And thank you, Mr. Golpa, and the team, all the doctors. Gosh, everybody is so great. So I think everybody should get a raise, Mike. All right.